everybody, Mr. Baker here with a new vlog. Starting next week, my middle school class are going to start learning about engineering and bridge design. So I thought today I would build myself a bridge. So I'm going to be using the Discovering STEM structure kit to build a truss bridge. Now, a truss bridge is a bridge that uses triangular shapes to help make the bridge more sturdy and strong. So as I go through the video, I'll be building different pieces and connecting them together. So I'm going to stop and start throughout the video once I have some larger pieces assembled so you can see how it all comes together. So I've put together quite a few pieces now, just kind of creating the structure of what is going to go into building this bridge. So I've got pieces of all sorts of different shapes and sizes. Now it's time to start putting some of these pieces together to kind of build the frame of my bridge. So I'm going to start with this. This is going to be one of my bases, and we're just going to connect some of these all the way around. There we go, like that. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And these are going to be the bases of the towers that are going to hold up the bridge. There are a few more smaller details that I need to build, and once I have those together, we'll add them onto our structure. Now that I have all of my individual pieces built, it's time to start constructing the entire bridge. So I need to take this is going to be the top of the tower. So I'm going to connect that onto here. There we go. So I've got that base there, and I have this one built here. Now that I have the towers put together, I need to connect these together to make the span of my bridge, and then those are going to attach themselves to the towers so that the bridge stands up. So I'm going to connect these like this. There we go. Now I've got my span, and I'm going to connect those to the tower. Same on the other side. So now I have kind of my bridge. It's not quite finished yet. There are a few other parts I need to put together to create the top and the trusses in between. So I will put those together, and then we'll see how it looks when it's all built. I've put together the top of my truss now. So I've got a lot of little dangly pieces here that all need to connect down onto the space of the bridge. So I'm going to connect those pieces here. And then these all connect in the middle. And as you see, as I connect them on the sides, I'm starting to make those triangle shapes. That's what makes this a truss bridge. Those triangles really help give the bridge some extra structure and make it nice and strong. And there we go. That is my truss bridge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.